Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Windows wireless service not running on this computer. Type service.msc in Windows search bar. Right click, run as administrator. Open Windows Connection Manager. Change startup type to automatic. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart the service. Open WLAN Auto Config. Change startup type to automatic. Click Apply, OK. Restart the service. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.